Today in Cannabis News, the IRS hosts a cannabis and cryptocurrency event. Congress in North Carolina acted on the newest revision of a cannabis legalization bill. And insurance companies are preparing for federal cannabis legalization by ensuring they're ready to handle the new demand. It's Friday, August 20th, and this is your TRICHOMES Morning Buzz.
Broadcasting live from the TRICHOMES.com studios in Southern California. It's time for your Morning Buzz. We bring you late-breaking news that keeps you up to date with what's happening in the cannabis industry.
First up, a tax policy event was held on Wednesday by the IRS addressing cannabis and cryptocurrency. The seminar addressed issues such as allowing tax deductions while cannabis remains federally illegal, and explaining how different states are approaching taxing cannabis. It also covered issues related to paying taxes on earnings in Bitcoin and other forms of digital currency. Other topics, such as the growth of public support for cannabis legalization and federal reform, were also discussed by the panel. The event was created to help the audience learn how to prepare a tax return for illegal activities and identify when virtual currency needs to be reported as taxable income. Although the IRS has not officially advocated for federal cannabis policy reform, it is clear that they understand the complications created by prohibition and are currently making steps toward bringing clarity for taxpayers and financial professionals to navigate the space. As more policies and measures are approved, different language and direction will be given to taxpayers to create clarity for navigating this new space. Next up, a committee of North Carolina senators have acted on a revision bill for medical cannabis legalization. After an earlier version of the bill was sent back to the judiciary earlier this month, the newly revised bill is set in place for formal approval at an upcoming subsequent meeting. The newest provision states that patients with terminal illnesses and have 6 months to live, as well as those with conditions resulting in hospice care, to qualify for cannabis. The definition of cannabis-infused product has also changed in this version, and now states that cannabis-infused products include a concentrated liquid or viscous oil, a liquid suspension, a topical preparation, a transdermal preparation, a sublingual preparation, a gelatinous cube, gelatinous rectangular cuboid, lozenge in a cube, or rectangular cuboid shape, a resin, or wax. Advocates are pleased with the advancement of these provisions, but still would like to see further revisions to help expand the program and promote a greater depth of social equity. After being approved by the Judiciary panel once again, the newly revised bill must clear the Senate Healthcare and Rules and Operations Committee before it can enter the floor. Last up, as the nation inches closer towards federal legalization, U.S. cannabis insurers are preparing for an increase in sales. 36 U.S. states and the District of Columbia currently have medical cannabis or recreational cannabis legalization, which demands insurance for growers, testing labs, and retailers. U.S. legal cannabis sales increased by 45% last year and are expected to hit $41 billion by 2026, based on BDAS, a Colorado research firm's data. As the industry grows and Congress continues to approve new measures and decrease federal laws, there is an overwhelming need for the right insurance for cannabis businesses. Having the proper cargo insurance, general liability, product liability, and coverage for property are only a few of the main coverages that companies need in order to protect and properly run their businesses. That was today's Buzz. Thanks for listening. For more cannabis news and insights from industry professionals and a place to discuss these stories and others, visit trichomes.com. And be sure to catch up with all of our other cannabis industry-related podcasts like Hash It Out, Tech and Cannabis, or the International Cannabis Conversation wherever you get your podcasts. For trichomes.com, I'm Devin Leal. Have a great day.